Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make a Discord bot using Python. Just a disclaimer before we begin, the bot we're going to be building in this video is not going to be one of those fancy Dino or Dank Memer bots that are popular on Discord, but it's going to be a bot that has some pretty cool commands, and I plan on continuing the series and show you how to make more complex and cooler commands. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go into Google and we're going to go to Discord developers. Hit enter and it should be the first link. And you're going to be prompted to sign in if you're already not signed in. But when you do sign in, you're going to see this page where it shows your applications. Over here I already have two. So on the top right, we're going to click new application and it's going to tell you to name your bot. I'll just name it my bot. And you're going to hit create. And then it's going to show the general information of your new bot. You could give it a description. I'll just call it this is my bot. And you're going to hit save changes in the bottom. Now we're going to go over to bot, which is on the left side, and we're going to click add bot. And yes. And this is basically like it creates a bot user, so then it can like interact in Discord servers. And this is where your bot token is going to be. Make sure not to like share it or else people will have access to your bot. And yeah, this is all the permissions you can give your bot. And yeah. Now that we set up our bot, we can begin coding. So in this video, I'm going to be using this tool called Replit, and it lets you code in multiple different programming languages on the web. So if you're going to use Replit, you should sign up, and it'll bring you to this page, and you're just going to click Python because we're going to be running this Discord bot in Python. And then when it creates, it's going to give your project this weird name. I'm just going to change it to my Discord bot. And just click anywhere. And now your project is ready. So the first thing you want to do is you want to click this little cube icon that says packages and search up Discord. And it lets you install the Discord Python package and just click the little plus icon. And your package will start installing. Once it finishes installing, you'll know because your plus button will turn into a little minus sign, and you're going to start importing the Discord package. And to do this, you just type import Discord, and we're also going to be importing something else from this Discord package. And to do that, we're just going to type from discord.ext import commands. And now we can start giving our bot commands. Now that we installed our packages, we're ready to code our bot. So the first thing we want to tell our Python script is that we have a bot and we're importing it from the Discord package. And in order to do that, we're going to create a new variable and we're going to call it bot. And we're going to take it from the commands package that we imported from Discord. And we're going to type .bot, and this instantiates or creates a new bot. And you can set the command prefix, which is basically like what the special character you put before the command you type in. So you could set this as something like exclamation mark or question mark or $sign. But for this video, I'm going to use slash. Now that we have our bot, we want the Python program to turn the bot on. And to do that, we're going to tell the Python program that the bot is going to have an event, and that event is for the bot to turn on. So to do that, we type bot at bot.event, and then under that we type in async def on underscore ready, 2 parentheses and a colon. And this is a function that Python can understand, and when the bot turns on, whatever's in here, the Python program is going to do. So for now, we're just gonna say print the bot is now online. And the last thing we want the Python program to do is actually run the bot. So to do that, we're just going to type bot.run and then 2 parentheses. And in these 2 parentheses, you want to type the bot special token. And to get that token, you head over to the Discord developer portal that we were in earlier, and you go into bot, scroll up, and you'll see token, click to reveal token, and copy. So we're just going to copy it and add 2 quotes and paste your token into here. Now that our bot is able to run, we need to invite it to a server so we could actually communicate with it. So to do that, we go back to Discord developer portal, and this section called OAuth 2, you click that and you scroll down, and where it says scopes, you want to just only select bot, and in the bottom it's going to give you this URL, and you want to copy it, and you go open a new tab and paste that new link, and then it's going to bring you to this page. It's going to show your bot and then your account, and you want to click select a server, and I'll invite it to a server that I just made, and you want to click authorize, click I'm not a robot, and now it says you're authorized. So I'm going to head back to my server, and as you can see, my bot is now in the server. And to turn the bot on, you just run your script. After running the script, you should see now that your bot is turned on, but we can't do anything with our bot yet because we didn't tell our Python script any commands to give the bot. So now let's go to our script and give our bot some commands. Before we start giving our bot commands, it's always best practice to add comments to your code so you and eventually other people that are going to work on your code can understand what the script is about. So to add a comment in Python, it's just a hashtag symbol or a pound sign, and then you add anything after that. So this line of code, it gives the bot a command prefix. So this one, prefix. This function tells the bot to start up, and this line of code tells the bot to run. Okay, so the first command we're going to add to our bot is a simple hello command, and that just mentions the user that called the command. So to make any command in Python with Discord, you just do @bot.command 2 parentheses and pass underscore context and set that equal to true. And then under that, you add a async def like how we did in this function right here. And then you add the name of your command, and the command name for this is going to be hello and 2 parentheses and ctx and a colon. And then when you call this command using our command prefix, which is slash or whatever you set it to, and the name of our command, it's gonna send whatever's in this function. So for our bot to say hello or like to do anything in the server or send messages, you type await ctx, which also means context dot send, and we're just gonna say hello, and then plus str. So this is a function that turns like anything into a string value, and we're gonna say ctx dot message dot author dot mention. So this line of code just gets whoever sent this command, and it like mentions them. So it's like hello at and then their username. And then if you want to restart the bot, just click stop and then click run again. Head back to your Discord server, and to test that the command actually works, we just type in our command prefix. So for me that's slash, and then type the command name, which is hello, press enter, and the bot should say hello and then at Metalhead12. The next command we're going to give our bot is a 8-ball command, where you ask the bot a question and then it returns yes, no, maybe, try again later, stuff like that. So to do that, we can just like copy this hello command, just copy and paste, and then all we have to do is just change the name of the command, and we can just call it 8-ball. And we can get rid of this because we're not going to use that line of code. And one thing we're going to import is another package. It's called random, and this like just returns like random values. And the reason why we don't have to like download it is because this is built into Python. So we're going to make a list of responses for the 8-ball, and to do that, we're going to create another variable, and we're going to call it responses, and it's equal to 2 square brackets. And this is basically just how you make a list in Python. And then we're going to give it some values like do 2 quotation marks and say yes, no, or try again later. And you could add any of your own responses. It doesn't have to be in any order because the script is going to take a random one from this list. And what we're going to do is in this command, we're just going to say await ctx.send. And to get a random choice from this responses list, we're just going to say random.choice. And we're going to give, inside the parentheses, we're going to give it our responses list. So now to test if this works, we're going to head back to our server and make sure to restart your bot by clicking stop and then run again. Now, just like before the last command where we type slash hello, this is going to be really similar. It's going to be slash 8-ball. And if you type that and hit enter, it's going to give you a random response from that list we made earlier. So if we do it again, it gives us a random value. See, the last command we're going to make is a shutdown command that lets you shut down your bot. So to do this, we're going to just copy our previous command and we just paste it, and then we can call it shutdown. And if you're going to add your bot to a server, you don't want just like anyone to be able to shut down your bot. So we're under @bot.command. We're going to add @commands.is_owner. And this basically just makes sure that you're the owner of the bot, so then no like random person in your server can turn off your bot. And now we're going to get rid of this command right here. And we could just say await ctx.send. And we could like, the bot can send a message before it shuts down. So we can say, I'm logging out. And then the command to actually turn off the bot is await ctx.bot.logout. And now if we restart bot by pressing start and then run and head back to our server, we could test it out. Now, just like before, to use a command, you just put your command prefix and then type shutdown. And now it says I'm logging out, and then shortly your bot will go offline. One last thing you should do, make sure to put comments in your code like how we did before. So we can say this command sends a hello message. For this command, we can say this command sends an 8-ball response. And for the last comment, we could put this command shuts down the bot. If you found this video useful and you enjoyed the video, please make sure to like and subscribe and turn on notifications for future videos. I plan on continuing this Discord series and show you guys how to make more advanced and cooler commands. So stay tuned for that. See you in the next video.